天你看这个 btbt 啊，数字货币上涨，看会不会这波能涨1周吗？还是涨几天？还是涨1个月？还是涨半年？
15:52分，虛擬貨幣普漲，比特幣24小時漲幅超5%，以太坊24小時漲幅超5%，狗幣24小時漲幅近5%。
Bitcoin may experience an explosive parabolic trend. Analysts point out that more and more companies are starting to adopt Bitcoin, which will be a key factor in driving further growth of Bitcoin. Anthony Pompliano, founder of Pomp Investments and host of the Pomp podcast, said that Bitcoin is under downward pressure due to selling pressure after almost reaching its historical high point in early June. But this cryptocurrency is expected to show another explosive parabolic trend in trading activity after the summer. After that, Bitcoin price broke through $0.07 million in early June, nearly approaching the historical high point of around $73,738. It fell by about 19%. On Monday, the Asian market, Bitcoin broke through $60,000 to $1,000, with a daily increase of about 2%, reaching a high since early July. Pompliano said, from January to May, Bitcoin prices experienced explosive fluctuations. Bitcoin is usually sideways during the summer, then in a bull market at the end of the third quarter and the fourth quarter. We will see explosive parabolic trends again. One key factor driving Bitcoin to a further high is that more and more companies are starting to adopt Bitcoin. Pompliano pointed out that more and more listed companies are seeing Bitcoin as an asset like U.S. bonds. This trend is led by MicroStrategy and its CEO Michael Saylor. Pompliano said, MicroStrategy is considered the first non-Bitcoin and non-cryptocurrency company to include Bitcoin in its balance sheet. Musk add, Dorsey, one of the founders of Twitter, did similar things quickly, but then everything calmed down. Now, we see these companies lit a spark. Not only in the USA, the list of companies Pompliano lists who have been buying Bitcoin to diversify their balance sheets. Buying Bitcoin is like buying U.S. Treasury bonds and gold. Pompliano said, assuming that 1% of the balance sheets of 10% of U.S. companies bought Bitcoin, this would be a large buying power. Therefore, for assets with a market cap of $1 to $1.3 trillion US dollars, you don't need so much buying power to continue to push it up. It is penetrating the public market. Pompliano also pointed out that a large sovereign wealth fund may announce that it has included比特币或将出现爆炸性抛物线走势，分析师指出，越来越多公司开始采用比特币，这将是推动比特币进一步走高的关键因素。Pomp Investments 创始人 The Pomp Podcast 主持人 Anthony Pomp 联欧表示，比特币在6月初几乎出现历史高点后，在抛售压力下处于下行趋势，但这种加密货币在下跌后的交易活动中，有望再次出现爆炸性抛物线走势。比特币价格在6月初突破7万美元，接近73738美元左右的历史高点后，下跌了约9%。周一大盘，比特币